Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of a Ford Mondeo Titanium X Sport. So this is our 2011 Ford Mondeo Titanium X Sport. It's the 2.2 diesel with the automatic gearbox. Whilst in our care, we've done quite a lot. We've replaced the all-important cambelt and water pump. We've given it fresh MOT with no advisories, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. We've also replaced all the disc and pads, had all 4 alloys refurbished, so they look really, really good, and replaced all 4 tyres. So I've done quite a bit to this car. It's in pretty good condition for the age and mileage. It's covered just over 100,000 miles. There is the odd little stone chip and odd little mark on the paintwork, but really nothing bad for the age and mileage of the car. Inside, you've got the heated and cooled Alcantara leather seats, steering wheel controls, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, aux input, cruise control, and it's all in pretty good condition inside. A little bit of wear here and there, but nothing terrible. Got power fold mirrors too, privacy glass in the rear, loads of legroom in the back, and a very, very practical boot too. Look at that. Massive boot for the size of the car. These really are very, very practical motors. And I think in the Titanium X Sport facelift ones like these, they do look fantastic motors. Really, really stand out. Alloys look great. New tyres, new disc and pads. Cambelt's all been done. It's got 10 service stamps. Well looked after throughout its life. And a very, very good looking motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.